Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are diving into a natural wonder, the mulberry leaf. It has been studied for its potential benefits in managing diabetes, high cholesterol, and belly fat. Important disclaimer: if you have allergies, chronic illnesses, or are taking medications, do not try this leaf without consulting your doctor. This video is for educational purposes only. Throughout the video, we will cover benefits, precautions, and potential side effects. History and AMP. Traditional use: mulberry trees grow in Asia, China, and India. Historically used for diabetes, digestive issues, and heart health. Folk stories: drinking mulberry leaf tea for a month can stabilize blood sugar. Connection between traditional knowledge and modern science. Scientific basis and AMP. Active compounds: mulberry leaves contain D&J, 1-deoxynitromycin, flavonoids, and antioxidants. D&J helps reduce blood sugar and may improve insulin sensitivity. Flavonoids support heart health and lower LDL cholesterol. Research examples: 50 participants drank mulberry leaf tea for 3 weeks, 10 to 15% reduction in blood sugar. 30 people added mulberry leaf powder to smoothies, 1.5 to 2 kilograms reduction in belly fat. Note: results vary individually and do not replace prescribed medication. How to consume tea: steep 1 to 2 leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Optional: lemon or ginger. Powder: dry leaves, grind into powder, add to smoothies or honey. Capsules/tablets, available in pharmacies, follow dosage instructions. Typical intake: 1 to 2 cups of tea or 2 to 3 grams of powder daily. Recipes and AMP. Daily use: mulberry leaf tea, 3 to 4 fresh leaves, 250 milliliters boiling water, steep 5 minutes. Optional: slice of lemon plus 1 teaspoon honey. Mulberry smoothie: 1 teaspoon mulberry leaf powder, 1 cup almond milk, half banana, 5 to 6 ice cubes. Salad addition: 5 to 6 dried mulberry leaves, mix with vegetables and fat-free yogurt. Benefits of each recipe: blood sugar stability, improved digestion, light detox. Risks and AMP. Precautions: allergies may cause itching, rashes, or stomach upset. Overconsumption: possible diarrhea or stomach discomfort. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should be cautious. Possible interactions with medications, for example, blood sugar lowering drugs. Always consult your doctor before regular use. Real life examples and AMP. Additional tips: stories from real users, blood sugar and cholesterol improvements. Reminder: this is a supplemental natural aid, not a replacement for medication. Extra tips: maintain a healthy diet, regular exercise, stay hydrated. Today, we explored the science and practical benefits of mulberry leaves. They can be a natural aid against diabetes, cholesterol, and belly fat, but always consult your doctor first. If you found this video useful, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and leave your comments below. Next time, we'll explore more natural health secrets.